guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to be showing you how I got this super fluffy twist out on blow dried or stretched hair. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this twist out that I wore in New York, but I will insert a picture or two right here just so you guys can see what it looks like. And I believe this was like the second day, but yeah, my hair has already been washed and conditioned. I will link down below what I used, but the stars of the show are my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir and Enchanting Moisture Cream. So if you haven't purchased any of my products, the link will be down below. So I am just going to start off by using the Divine Hair Elixir on my scalp just to make sure my scalp is nice and hydrated, flake-free, itch-free, all that good stuff. And it does help to promote hair growth. It smells like peppermint, so it does give a tingly sensation. But yeah, I love this oil. I swear by it. Y'all have seen me use this forever. So I'm just going to work that on in, and then we are going to blow dry. So I am using my Revlon blow dryer brush on cool air. You guys are used to me using my Rev Air blow dryer, but I've shared so many times that thing takes me so long to blow dry my hair, and then having to hold my hand up can get a bit exhausting sometimes. So that's why I'm using my Revlon brush. I still enjoy it. I will say the highest heat setting does get pretty darn hot, so typically I like to use this on low, but today I decided to use cool air just because my cool air setting is still warm, so it's going to give me a blowout without having to use excessive amounts of heat. So yeah, the only thing I will say is this doesn't give you like a bone straight super smooth blow dry, but it does stretch the hair, and that's all I really need for this style. Now, the only reason I had braided each section up was to get it out of the way, but this is what my hair is looking like in the braid. So I'm just going to take these on down and show you what the blowout is looking like. And if you haven't seen my 2-year big chop update video, definitely check that out. I do give you guys a little bit of insight into how it's been being 2 years since I big chopped, and also a length check. But yeah, y'all, let's just get into the next part, which is the styling. Also, I know some people are sensitive, so if you see some armpit hair, please don't mind it. I did not want to shave my armpits until the day of vacation, which would be the next day after this, just because y'all know armpit hair grows fast. So if you occasionally see it, just don't say anything. But yeah, now I'm just going to part my hair from ear to ear, and then I am going to part my hair or part that section in half and start doing my twists. So I am just taking about like a nickel size of cream, and I'm going to apply that to my first section. And when it comes to blow dried styles, you guys, you want to add enough product to where your hair starts to revert, and I'm going to show you throughout this video what I'm talking about. When you start seeing your hair curl up, that means you have just enough. If you do not see that, that means you aren't using enough, and you're probably not going to get the hold and definition you want. And if it's like curling up too much where it's basically turning curly again, then you've used too much and basically defeated the purpose of blow drying your hair. So just be mindful of how much you're using. But once I have enough, then I am just going to 2-strand twist my hair all the way down, adding a little bit more of cream along the twist or along my hair if I need to, but not too much, just a little bit, and definitely on the ends because the ends are the driest part and we want to make sure those are hydrated. So I am just going to fast forward through this process like I typically do, but I did want to share the reason why I did this size of twists along my head is you don't want to do twists that are too big. If they're too big and chunky, you're going to get definition, but it's not going to last, especially on blow dried hair. And then I didn't want to do them too small because I didn't want to like spend a whole day, or not day, but hours basically doing mini twists just to take them out. So this size was perfect. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I'm just going to fast forward and let you guys see the process. So this is the final look after, well, not the final look, but this is what my hair looks like completely twisted. If I had to guess, I think I had about anywhere from 22 to 25 twists. Not too much and not too little. But I'm just going to give you guys a spin around. I believe I did sit underneath my hooded dryer. I typically always do for at least an hour, and then I just air dried the rest overnight. Alright, you guys, excuse the lighting. I was in Chicago at my boyfriend's house before we went to New York. So yeah, I already took down the twist. I'm so sorry, like this isn't my typical setup, but I had to work with what I had. So I just wanted to show you guys the definition of what it looked like when I took the twist out. And then this is what it looks like when I separated the curls. I tried my best not to over separate because on blow dried hair, definitely if you over separate, it's just gonna frizz up. So this is day one hair, which honestly was not my favorite. I didn't want to fluff it out too much just so it could naturally, you know, get bigger over the course of the days and I could keep my definition. But for first day, it was looking good. This is the back view of it. Yeah, I loved it. But second, third, and the rest of the days were my favorite because it just kept getting bigger. So I'm just going to insert some clips that I took while I was in New York. So enjoy this, but if you want better pictures and things, definitely check my Instagram, Hazel_goddess. But let me know if you guys would try this out. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This did last me up to a week, you guys. So yeah, definitely try this out. But I'll see you guys in another video.